Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create and manage ChatViews in BoldDesk. ChatViews help agents efficiently filter, organize, and manage chat conversations based on their preferences. First, let me show you how to create a ChatView. To do so, you need the Create ChatViews permission enabled. So, head to the Admin module, open the Roles and Permissions page, select a role, and open its Permissions page. Select the Chat tab and turn on the Create ChatViews permission. Additionally, you can choose the access scope for the views created. It can either be private, group, or public. Once updated, agents with this role can create a chat view. Next, open the Chat module in the left side panel. All the available chats across brands are listed here and can be filtered. To create a new view, select the current view type displayed in the left side panel, and a drop-down menu will open. Inside the drop-down menu, click Create View. The Advanced Filter pop-up will open, where you can select and apply rules for filtering. For this demo, I add a rule to filter out all critical priority chats. You can add more rules based on your needs, and click Apply to use this view. To save and share this view, click the Save button, and in the next pop-up window, name the chat view and choose its access scope and sort order. Click Save to complete the view creation. Next, let me show you how to manage chat views. Agents need the Manage Views permission in the Permissions tab to edit, share, or deactivate chat views. To do that, navigate back to the Roles and Permissions page. Open the Admin section and turn on the Manage Views permission. With that activated, open the Chat module in the left side menu and then open the Chat Views page. Here, all available chat views are listed, including the one I just created. The Access Scope column displays who can access the view, and the Status column displays whether the view is active or inactive. Two types of chat views are available: System Views and Custom Views. System Views are default chat views available to all agents. While they cannot be modified or deleted, they can be deactivated if not needed. Custom views are user-defined views that can be tailored with filters. Click the More Options icon and select Deactivate to deactivate a chat view. Similarly, a chat view can be activated. The Change Owner option is available for custom views. Click it to change ownership of the chat view and select an agent in the pop-up. The new owner gains full control over the view settings, but only the original creator can delete the view. That's how easy it is to create and manage chat views in BoldDesk. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.